What is up? My name is Brandon, guys. This is Creative Guise Productions. I usually don't talk to the camera. I'm not very good at it, but here I am trying something new. I'm also trying out the microphone on this GoPro camera that I think I'm going to shoot most of this on. Maybe, maybe not. I haven't decided yet. But anyway, let's something new. I hammered this bugger out the other day, 2 or 3 days ago, and so it's time to clean this thing up and get some holes drilled and get this thing heat treated, and hopefully it comes out okay. So that's what I'm going to be doing. That's what this video is going to be. It's probably going to be a short video. It is my goal to make shorter videos and more of them, because I have gotten out of the habit of making videos, and so I just put it off and I put it off, and I'll film something here and I'll film something there, but then I'll never make it to where it's supposed to go. So yeah, let's I'm gonna stop talking now, at least for the time being, and let's get moving on this thing. All right, got all that fun stuff done. I am coming outside here. I'm completely backlit, so I'm probably just a black speck. There we go. I'm gonna get this thing heat treated. It's all right. There are things I'm not thrilled with, but I think we'll be able to work with here in the future endeavors. One thing I screwed up, if I'm living, I don't know how well you're gonna be able to see it or not. That fret hole is way too far north being straight up from your vantage point right now. That was gonna be my front pinhole. That's not gonna be, that's just gonna be covered up by scales and filled in with epoxy. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use 2, 5, and 6 down here. 2 and 5 will have solid pins, and 6 will have a tube of some sort, either brass or G10, because I think it's about all I have of them right now. So yeah, so we're gonna heat treat this thing. I'm gonna videotape my entire heat treating process, and when I use the scare quotes, it just means that there are a lot of things that I do because I've seen other makers do them, and I don't know why. Like, I know the what, not the why, and I'm not even 100% convinced that I do the what correctly. So what I'm saying is if you are watching this in an effort to learn how to make knives, this is the wrong channel. I wish I could say do as I say, not as I do. I can't even say that. I will say people like Dennis Tyrell out in California, amazing teaching YouTube channel. Oh God, I'm losing, why am I forgetting? Oh, I'm losing all the names right now. Questions about grinders and whatnot, check out Brian Housework, of course. That's who made the revolution. The guy is like a hero. He's like 2 hours west of me. Just hero level stuff. Him and Brett both. Bald Man, Knife and Tool. Hero levels. Yeah, what's his, the redhead guy? Super analytical. Redbeard Ops, another guy. You want to learn? Whoa, whoa, great teacher. His videos will teach you everything you ever wanted to know. These are guys that got me into this during my, COVID era YouTube rabbit hole. It's literally what started this was COVID, and I got bored. I decided I needed a new hobby, and this is what it was. Anyway, let's get the heat treat in this thing. I appreciate you guys watching. In case I don't give a farewell, I probably will. But yeah, let's get to it. right, well, I just did one of the most boneheaded things of my life. No real consequences, luckily. But I'm sitting there doing this heat treat, and of course the camera overheats. Like, sometimes I'm an idiot. Anyway, we've got this thing heat treated. It scanned a file just fine. So I feel good about that. I'm gonna go put it in the tempering oven. 400 degrees, 2 hours, 2 cycles. Why? Because that's what everybody else does. I know everybody has their own variances. I don't vary it because I don't have a 100% clear understanding of what's happening. I have a very rudimentary understanding of what's happening, and so I don't know what minor adjustments are likely to do and not do, nor do I really have the tools to measure such adjustments. So you find something you like, stick with it. Anyway, this will be my farewell. I'm gonna go temper this. This is gonna be its own little video, and then hopefully I'll get another one out relatively soon. Thanks so much for watching. I genuinely appreciate it, and I will talk to you soon. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you like me talking more? Do you hate me talking more? I'm kind of entertaining, and I get to let my nerd show a little bit, but you know, there are people who speak very well for a living that everybody tunes in to watch. But anyway, let me know in the comments. I appreciate it. I will talk to you soon. Later.